Hey guys, it's Tiny here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. We are back in Streamlabs Chatbot. I am currently making a video to answer Tisley YT's question left on the previous Streamlabs Chatbot tutorial about how you can go ahead and make a target name command, which is very similar to my hug command here. So when someone in my chat goes !hug, they actually respond with their username and they provide a target username. So they actually go ahead and type something like hug subscribers, like so. It will actually respond with a Tiny Games gives subscribers a big old hug. Now, the most common way to actually use this would definitely be in the form of a slap command. You've probably also seen that command out and about on Twitch or YouTube as well, but I'm going to show you how you can create it today for yourself. So let's go ahead and create a new command. Now the command will be !slap for me, and we will go ahead and put it into the fun group. Now everyone, of course, is going to have permission for it in my chat. There will probably be a 1 to 2 minute cooldown, but the response we are looking for is either one of two. So the first response is going to be $username. So this is your username, space, has slapped, and then target username. Oh, target name, sorry, target name, ! So this is going to be you wanting to slap a particular person. Now let's go ahead and submit that one, but we are actually going to make another one. Let's go !slaps. We'll leave it in the fun group. Now this is if you want to slap a random person in the chat. So you can go ahead and go username has slapped, and then for the random user we go RAND user name ! So this will go ahead and slap any random user. So let's go ahead and submit. We'll go back to our console and we will do it again. So let's go !slap, and we'll use subscribers. So this is going to go ahead and say Tiny Games has slapped subscribers. But if we go ahead and go slaps with no name afterwards, Tiny Games has slapped Tiny Games because I'm the only one in the chat. But that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick, short, straight to the point tutorial. I am very, very sick, so I do apologize for my horrible voice, but I hope this tutorial helped you out. And have a good one, guys. See you later.